Let us now continue our discussion and integrate the menu items within the file menu. So first of all, within the file menu, the first item that I will add will be the new. So here I will use menu item. And make sure again the menu item that you will select should be from javafx.scene. Select it and then use new menu item equal to new menu item again, and as a parameter pass new. And now let us add another menu item here. Menu item space, let's call it quit menu item, and then give the text as quit. Now similarly for the help menu, let us add the menu item, let's call it about app equal to new menu item and give the text as about. And now once we have defined the menu item such as new menu item and the quit menu item, then we need to add it within our file menu such that when we click on the file menu, we will get to see this pop-up. So similarly here as well, I will use file menu dot get all the menu items and then use dot add all method and add all the menu items in this sequence, new menu item and then quit menu item, like this. And now similar to this statement, let us add this about app menu item within the help menu. So here as well use help menu dot get all the items dot add all and then add the about app menu item. Let us now launch our application. And there we go. Let us click on file and here you can notice new and quit. We have got the menu items further. Here as well within the help you will find the about menu item. Now let us take our discussion to the next level. If you notice within the file menu you can find a separator in between the menu items. So how to get this separator? So for that again we have a code. So in between new and quit menu item, let us define separator menu item, this one. Select it. Let's call it separator menu item equal to create the new object for this. Now while adding the menu items within the file menu, you have to simply pass this separator menu item as a second member. So for that use separator menu item comma quit menu item. So in between the new menu item and the quit menu item you will get a line, that is a separator. Let us now test our application. And there we go. In between new and quit we have a separator line, right? Now currently if you click on new, quit and also about, nothing happens. So for that we need to implement the click event on all these menu items. So how to do it, let's check out in the next video.